Hi Glen Forest. Hi my FECEP friends. I hope everyone is doing well in Miss Travis's class, Miss Tillman's class, and Miss Richburg's class. I am going to start making some art videos for you, and this is day 1 of your art videos for distance learning. Today we're going to be learning how to draw squares and circles. You're going to look around the house and you're going to find some squares. You're going to find some circles, and we're going to draw them on a piece of paper. Afterwards, I'm going to tell you a secret. And that secret you have to watch at the very end of the video to find out what we're doing next time. Good morning, friends. Today we are going to focus on shapes. The 2 shapes we're going to focus most about are squares and circles. In your mind right now, I want you to take your finger and draw a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then draw a circle. One line that goes in a circle. Okay, so let's look at your challenge is to look around your house and find items that are squares or circles. I'm going to show you some examples from my house, and I want you to look around your house and find some examples. So I have this, which is what shape? A square or a circle? Let's see, how many sides does it have? Doesn't really have a side. Does it go all the way around? Yeah. So I think it's a circle. It's a circle, right? Yes, it is. We have one circle. It's a really cool cup holder. And then we have another one. What shape is this? Is this a square or a circle? Are there lines? Are there walls? Or is it just one line that goes around and around and around and around forever? If you guess square, guess again. If you guess circle, great job. This is a circle. Let's look at an example of a square. Look at this. Now, if I try and go around and around and around, I can't because my finger isn't letting me go around and around in a circle. Instead, it's going 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a square. Very first square. What about this book? What day is it? ¿Qué día es? I don't know. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides to this square. Let's go ahead and read this and see if we can find any squares or circles. Okay, so Monday we shop at the market. Tuesday we draw in art class. So let's look at the market. Do we see any circles? Go ahead and point to the screen if you see any circles, if you see any squares. I'm going to do one of each. There are circles here. And there's a square right there. How about on this page? Do you see any squares and circles? Uh-oh, looks like they're drawing some banana people or some bunny people. So we have a circle, circle. Do we see any squares anywhere? More circles over here. There's a square right there. Nice job. Wednesday, we take music lessons. Let's look on the music page. Do we see any circles? All right, there's a circle right there, and there's little circles on the black rim. Thursday, we read at the library. Do we see any circles or squares? I don't, but if you do, point them out. Ooh, maybe the eyes of the bunnies can be the circles. Friday, we eat at a restaurant. Do we see any squares or circles on this page? All right, there's one circle. Do we see any squares? I don't see any squares. If you saw a square, make sure you tap. Ooh, I just saw a square, but I want you guys to look for it. Saturday, we swing at the park. Any squares and circles, friends? I don't think so. If you saw something, make sure you tap on the screen. Sunday, we visit our grandparents. Ooh, there's a lot of circles here. I see a lot of squares too. Squares on here, circles on here, and that's just the start, okay? So, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a square and a circle. The first thing you're going to do for a circle, if you have one of the objects, you can put it next to it and try and draw what you see. So if my finger goes like this, I'm going to pretend like the pen is my finger and I'm going to do the same motion. Just like that. Did I draw a circle? Yes, I did. Next, let's try and draw a square. So I'm going to put my square on this side and I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to do that with my pen. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I draw a square? Yes, I did. Practice drawing your squares and circles, and next time we'll show you what we can make using just squares and just circles.